Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Well, whenever we want to learn a new skill or we want to do something new, we start doing a lot of research about it, right? For example, if we start a business, we start doing a lot of research on Google or YouTube, or we start reading certain books to get to know what kind of business we can start, the risk involved, etc. etc. So, just to know everything, we do read about it, we do some research about it, we do listen to people who have started their business, we do read some autobiographies, how people have started their business, we do read some books which have a lot of business ideas, etc. etc. We all take a lot of efforts and initiatives to learn this new thing, right? Whenever we want to start something or we want to learn something new, we do all these researches, right? What is a research? Basically, we are reading about it, we are collecting information about it, from people or through books or web. There are lots of resources available from which we can get information related to that thing, right? If you want to study something, right? If you want to do masters, if you want to do MBA, if you want to do a graduation or any technical degree we want to take, we start doing some research about it. What is the best, right? What will be the market like? What should I get trained into? So this is how we collect knowledge and we start analyzing things and we start taking our steps to achieve that goal, right? In the same way, when we are talking about learning to speak English, we also do a lot of things. We also collect a lot of information what is going to help us, right? We start collecting how to practice English speaking, what should we do, like what should we read, what should we listen to, any exercise, activity or technique which can help us to speak English better or to improve our English speaking or to speak English fluently and confidently. So let's talk about what is going to help us to improve our English speaking in this session. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's talk about what are the resources which can help us to start speaking in English or which can help us to improve our English speaking skills. So there are lots of mediums or resources which we can utilize to start practicing English speaking. So let's talk about some resources or mediums which can help us to improve our English speaking. The first medium is books. Yes, it's not only about novels or autobiographies or newspaper or any storybook. It's more about books which are there which can help you to improve your English speaking skills. For example, 30 Days to Better English. This is a book by Norman Lewis and this is also a very helpful book. So start reading books which are related to English speaking, how you can improve your English, how you can develop communication skills, how to have conversation with people. These kind of books are absolutely going to help you in speaking or improving your English skills. Okay, so this is one book. Another one is The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking by Dale Carnegie. Okay, The Quick and Easy Way to Effective Speaking. This is also a wonderful book. You can just give it a try. Okay, you can order it online. You can borrow it from somewhere or any library and just read. It is absolutely going to help you. There's another book from Rapidex which is called English Conversation, Easiest Way to Improve Your Spoken English. So this is another book which I would recommend. You can just give it a try. Okay, so why I'm saying this is when you want to do something new, when you want to start, for example, a business, you just start getting you need to get some ideas, right? So we all do read a lot about what businesses we can start, how people have started their business, what are the risks involved, right? A lot of things. So this is what reading books or these kind of specific books related to English will help you. It will give you an idea of how you can develop your English speaking skills. So do give these books a try. It is absolutely going to help you. So this is one thing. The next section is, or the next resource or medium is social media. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram are the three major platforms wherein you can find a lot of material related to English speaking, right? You can learn grammar there, you can learn English speaking there, you can learn how to have conversations, you can learn the techniques as well, the activities, exercises, the quizzes, puzzles, everything is there available, right? On Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc., etc., whatever medium you use or whatever social media you prefer. Okay, you can start browsing these kind of contents and it is absolutely going to help you to improvise your English speaking skills. Okay, you will add knowledge, you will gain experience also on what is going to work for you. Okay, so that you can try different things and you can use the best suitable for you. So social media is also another medium which can help you to improve your English speaking skills. The third medium I would prefer is chatbots or AIs, artificial intelligence, right? Like ChatGPT or Gemini or Meta AI or Perplexity. These are very good. You can use these AIs to get answers, to start having conversations and to correct your mistakes as well. So there are lots of things they can help you with, but you have to be a little cautious about it. Okay, but having a conversation with AI is perfectly fine. You can have conversations with AI on any topic. That is the most convenient way of practicing English speaking. You can use any AI to practice English speaking for 5 minutes every day. Okay, so there are some unpaid versions and there are some paid versions also. If you find it suitable, if you find it helpful, you can definitely take the paid versions also to help you practice English speaking. It is a great help and it is used for multiple purposes. So try using AIs to help you improve your English speaking. Okay, the last one I would talk about is entertainment. Now, what all things fall in entertainment category? I would suggest if you want to watch a movie, any cartoon movie, any animated movie, any Hollywood movie, which is in English, of course, Hollywood movie, you can watch. Okay, you can watch any podcast, any music or song in English. You can watch any celebrity talk show, any comedy show, or you can play any game in English. Games, quizzes, puzzles, you can start playing in English. Okay, so that is the entertainment section. So whatever you want to do, for example, games, if you want to play dumb charades or we want to play Antakshari, we can just modify the rules and we can just describe that movie in English in 2-3 sentences, right? So we have to modify the rules. We have to speak here. Okay, we can speak in English about the movie in 2-3 sentences so that the other person can guess that. Okay, instead of doing actions, right? So this is one game we can play. We can play Scramble. We can solve any puzzle, right, related to vocabulary or words, etc., etc. So these are all, I've clubbed it into entertainment, right? Whether you want to watch a movie or a comedy show or a sports commentary or any music or song or games or puzzles or quizzes you want to do in English. So these are some of the mediums which are really helpful for us to gather information, to collect information, to know what will help us to improve our English speaking. So if we start utilizing these platforms, these channels, these mediums or these resources to improve our English speaking, we will definitely achieve our target. We'll definitely be able to improve our English speaking skills, right? It's not only about practicing English speaking. We all practice, but how many of us are able to achieve it, right? So the right way of practicing English speaking is very important. So if you utilize all these mediums to start practicing English speaking, you will definitely see a lot of difference in your speech, in your communication skills, in your English speaking skills very soon. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.